What's going on to Development Doctor? I have finished this property, man. It is actually rented out now. My tenants move in tomorrow. I'm gonna take you guys on inside and take a look at the things that we did, right? Of course, outside we came with our traditional historic. We did our white paint with our black trim. The exterior paint job cost us $4,000, you guys. That's for the whole house, start to finish. Now I was able to save a little bit on labor because y'all seen my son Junior out here spraying. So I was able to cut the price down in half. Now I'm just playing. It was $4,000, you guys. So then we come inside. Our flooring, we did all new flooring in this house. This is LVP flooring. The cost of the material was about $1.50 per square foot. And the install was also $1.50 per square foot. So we got $3 per square foot. This house is about 1,000 square feet. So you have $3,000 on your laminate flooring. On the inside, we also have paint. The interior paint costs us about $4,000, you guys. So right now, you know, we've pretty much done the outside paint, inside paint, and floors. I came in and did all new ceiling fans throughout the house to give it a nice modern touch. And if you guys remember, this was a dining room. I closed it in by just adding another door, and boom, now it's a bedroom. So one of my favorite features that I discovered while doing this house were these cool ceiling fans. So one switch is that, it changes to cool white, warm, cool. Oh wait, I missed it. And it just changes colors. I love that, guys. And then in the kitchen, right? So I showed you guys pictures of what the kitchen looked like before, and I asked you guys if I should paint it or if I should take these cabinets out. Y'all said to paint it, so this is how it turned out. So the paint job in the kitchen was only $1,000. I took out the countertops. This was another $800 to actually replace the new countertops, and I added some nice door hardware to make it look nice and neat. This hardware cost me about $35 for all of the knobs on Amazon, you guys. I threw in a nice stove, and then I had a dishwasher in stock that I was already ready to use. I reused the same sink and just added a new fixture. So this is how I was able to do this at such a cost-effective way. The next big thing we did here was gonna be our restroom. So I always do my restrooms in a nice and modern way. So we put our signature LED mirror here. We did our black finishes here, nice vanity. And then we go brand new tub, tile to the ceiling, shower fixture, new toilet. This bathroom cost us about $4,500 for everything. This was a complete gut. So we had to come in and fix the floors. We had to move the water lines for the toilet, new tub, tile, new vent fan, new vanity, new mirror. So most of our money was spent here in the bathroom. The rest of the money we spent on doorknobs, trim, and things like that. That was maybe an additional $500 for the whole property. But as you can see here, here's a bedroom. All in here is the same thing. Paint, floors, light fixtures, doorknobs. Same thing in this one. Paint, floors, light fixtures, doorknobs, new HVAC covers. So we were able to finish this whole house for under 20K, you guys. And this is something that we're able to do effectively and efficiently. I paid $140,000 for this house. It is now worth $265,000. I can put out up to 75%, which would be my original 18K investment plus whatever else on top that I want to get, or I can hold it. So my plan really, you guys, is to come in here and close in this right where Chase is standing and make this a 4th bedroom after I do my appraisal. And after I do my appraisal, the 4th bedroom bring me in another $800 a month. So now the scenario just gets even better. I got $3,200 coming in from this small 1,000 square foot home, you guys. It's all about strategy and knowledge. You don't need money. You don't need anything but hustle and knowledge, you guys. If you really want to learn how to do this and you're ready to hustle and get active, you already know what to do. Tap in with me at my mentorship. Visit thedevelopmentdr.com. And you can book a session with me to talk about how to do projects like this and how to take a 140K house and make it a $3,200 a month house. Think about that. 140K making you $3,200 a month. But everybody's looking at shiny apartment complexes, but apartment complexes don't pay for toys. These type of assets do. Stay tuned for more information.